What's good in hit y'all? Your homie back again with another video. Alright y'all, y'all already see the title, y'all already know what it is. Yes, I got another ring light to share with y'all today. Let me tell you guys real quick, my old ring light broke. I don't know what happened to it. Actually, I do know what happened to it. I was trying to plug the power cord into the back of the ring light and it broke. I don't know how that happened, but I was having problems with that old ring light anyways. But my girlfriend was nice enough to buy me a whole new one and I freaking love it. I'm using it right now actually. Yeah, further ado, let's get into the unboxing and testing it out, alright? Yeah. Ah, I smacked myself. Damn it. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out in any way, and if it did, please smash that like button. Smash! Subscribe for more of your homie. I really like this ring light. I gave it a 10 out of 10. The remote is pretty nice too. I mean, it works, but when I first had this, it kind of like didn't connect itself. So what you had to do was hold these two buttons together, hold it down together, and that should reset it and it will connect wirelessly to your ring light and everything should work fine. So, but yeah, it also says it on the little manual that came with it. So I suggest you guys keep the manual just in case. I really like this ring light. Like I said, I'm using it right now. If you guys want to purchase this ring light, I will put the link down below for y'all to check it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys ever heard of this type of brand before. Emart or Emart? Emart, yeah. I have the controller right here. It's beautiful. I keep looking at it because, you know, it's just right there. Other than that, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Ring light, yeah.